If we divide 638 by 5 in a long division method, 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 30. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 3. So again we put down this 8 and it is 38. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 638 divided by 5 is 127.6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.